I'm about to make one of the worst decisions I can possibly make on a rainy day. Okay, we're ready. She has no idea that I just pumped this up, but she's about to go feral. Okay, it actually stopped raining, but it's really wet outside. She's about to get so muddy. Gonna get concussed one day. Whoa, big trick. Lay down. Good girl. Fear it's time for a bath, girl. The best time to give her a bath. To the bath, girl. Straight to the bath. Clean girl. And you're still tired. You did so good. Good job, little seal. Now go to sleep.